don't be shy, partner. No such thing as a stranger here.
Hello, sir.
Well, you look like you need to take a load off.
Well, ain't this a rare treat? Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming? I'd have fixed myself up nice.
Oh, now you know you look perfect, princess.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. And we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff we've been saving.
It's decided then. I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle. Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on. I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you? Well, just go hurry her up a little. She won't listen to me. Go on, partner. She won't mind. Would you just pop your head around the door? Or we won't be eating till Christmas. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be bothering you like this. Just chomping at the bit, that's all.
Well, look who it is. You are hungry, ain't you?
I didn't mean to intrude, miss.
It's all right. Looking ain't a crime. Looking ain't a crime. You go on and have a seat at the table. I'll be down in a minute. Hey, slow it down there. Plenty of time for that. And there was me thinking you was the bashful type. An old family photo. It got damaged, unfortunately. He always likes watching me get ready, too.
Sick sons of bitches. I found some bones in an armoire. What's that about?
Oh, you met Mama? She always did love visitors. We like to keep her here with us. You're a feisty one.
She'll, be down in just a minute.
That is what I like to hear. Hey, now pull up a chair, partner. Hey, pull up a chair, partner.
So, I opened the door up there and saw some bones. Human bones.
Oh, that's my mama. Rest in peace. I just couldn't bring myself to bury her. This way is better. No need to stand on ceremony here. We're right here next to me, partner. Oh, hey!
Hey!
This just about perfect. One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Now look at us, like a couple of old friends. Ah, it's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixins'. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different.
That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
But we still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a hog killing time.
Here, that's for you.
Yeah.
There.
Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on, honey.
I appreciate the hospitality, folks, but I best be on my way.
No, already? I thought we was gonna have some fun together. Oh. Ooh.
Easy now, miss.
Oh.
Well, we still can enjoy ourselves, princess.
See? He doesn't want to leave.
Come on, friend. Sit yourself back down and loosen up a bit. Life's too short.
I knew you wouldn't be able to stay away. Here, open up. Let me know if it needs more cream. Guess you came here hungry for something else. Come on, try one bite. It was my mother's recipe. you'd make me a happy girl. All right. Make sure you get it all in. You're a fussy one, aren't you? Oh, well. You're like...
Ma. Hey there.
Look who's here.
I figured I'd check in on you while I was passing through.
Right the pass down. Starts to heal. That's what they say. It was the only way we'd all have peace. Oh, we kept telling you.
Mind yourself, partner.
Leave us alone. Wish we could have given you a proper burial. But things ain't never perfect. But you love them pigs. And that day, they ate well.
I don't know what that needs.
Honey, we got a live one. I'll search his pockets and put it behind Mama. You ain't...
Just calm down, lady.
Whoa! Stop it! I ain't a damn hog!
Damn it! Here we go.
What are you gonna do to me?